My name is Stephanie Gagey. I'm the owner and operator of Special Ops K-9 Academy, and we have been in business for over a decade. We are a full-service facility. We can accommodate for those that need grooming, boarding, and training all in one. It's really convenient for people as they come in, they're able to sign up for all of these options. And the staff here is so amazing that they make sure that they take 100% care of whatever it is that you signed up for and whatever need is requested. As far as our kennels, they're state of the art. They're different than what anybody else has around here. They're indestructible, they're huge, indoor-outdoor runs, so that way they do have the ability to be indoors, but also have the free access as we allow them to go outside and have their own separate area. Basically, we get the dogs out. That's not something that always happens at different kennel and facilities, but we make sure that the dogs get out for playtime, whether it's in our large facility that we have indoors, or we also have trails that are cut in the woods. We take them out for walks every single day.
Hi, my name is Morgan Phillips. I'm a kennel tech here at Special Ops K-9 Academy. What sets our boarding apart is that we interact individually with each and every dog, and we treat them like they're our own when they're here. We have a really clean and positive environment here where everyone comes in and they're happy to be here, and the dogs feel that as well. That totally translates into how they behave when they walk in those doors.
For over a decade, we've been serving the Kosciuszko County area, and we have serviced hundreds of dogs around this area as well as globally. We've made a very good name for ourselves as far as having 100% success with these clients.
Hi, I'm Heath Neidig. I'm with Special Ops K-9 Academy. I'm the head trainer, and I've been here for over 6 years.
Other dogs. She doesn't even have to see it.
And in that time, I've been able to work with just about any issue that you could imagine. What makes Special Ops K-9 Academy unique is our training and the ability to do just about anything a customer will require.
A couple of things with the leash. So,
whether it be basic obedience, advanced obedience, service work, tracking, trailing, protection work, it really doesn't matter. We can basically do it all.
Outed. If he didn't, I said no, and then he outed.
We don't just work with the dog, we work with the human. Basically, we want to be able to connect the dots for the dog so they understand what it is that you're asking of them. Not only with their behaviors, but also with the obedience. They go hand in hand. If you have a disobedient dog, you're gonna have behavioral issues, which is why we make sure to actually focus on both of those things.
The behavior class also allows us to be able to diagnose or problem solve with the owners, possibly even over the phone or over FaceTime or Skype.
The goal is to make sure that you're comfortable. We've got to calm ourselves down, make sure our behaviors are in check, so that way we're able to connect the dots and help the dog understand that they're comfortable and okay in a situation. So when you're thinking of a boarding facility, training facility, or a grooming facility, make sure you keep us in mind, because we are constantly expanding. We put you number one, and we love every single dog that walks in these doors. Doesn't matter the behavior, we welcome them with open arms. We never turn a dog away, whether it's breed, behavior, or anything else. And I can honestly say that we have the best staff in this area.